Okay, I'm here making some homemade mozzarella sticks. People keep telling me I should do videos of the things I cook, so I'm just doing this last minute. Already I have half of them done, but I found this recipe online, so that's what I'm just following. Did a few things different. So basically I took some mozzarella cheese and I cut them into strips. Then what you're gonna do with the mozzarella cheese, you're gonna dip it in some flour, which you can season or not season. Then right here we have an egg mixture, just some egg and some milk with some salt and pepper. Then from here, I'm gonna put it into the breadcrumbs. Kind of hard doing this with one hand. And these are like Italian breadcrumbs, but I did put some extra Parmesan, some extra salt, pepper, and garlic and Italian seasoning. And you put it back into the egg. Give it like a double layer. Because you don't want the cheese to just hit the oil, then it's going to come out. Then back into the breadcrumbs. I don't have this camera focus at all. So then you're going to take this, line them up with the rest. Then when you're done, you're going to put these in the freezer for like 3 hours. And then you can fry them. So that's what it is. I'll come back with another portion later when I actually fry it. I don't know if I'm actually going to really fry it or if I'm going to just try it in the air fryer. I don't know. Because things come out tricky in the air fryer. So I'll give you. Okay, so I forgot I was supposed to be doing this video. These are the ones that were left. I got one frying in here now because one kind of opened and broke the pot. These are the ones that are done. See, nice and crispy. They were opening a little bit, but this one, like, all the cheese came out. So that's why I just did an extra one in here. So see, that's how they look when they come out. You only have to fry them for like 2 to 3 minutes.